Happy Sunday, traders! Last week was very interesting. Google trying to launch their AI products to fight with Microsoft. However, the market participant didn't like it that much. I think they lost over $100 billion in a day. Bitcoin retraced back to around 21,500. Do you think it's going to drop further, or do you think it's a buying opportunity? I already posted on my private group that I am starting to buy. What level do I think I would buy more? Stay tuned and I'll share that with you. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the Forex Factory. It shows you all the major news events. There's a lot of inflation news coming up next week. Tuesday we have the CPI in here, and then Wednesday we have the retail sales, and then I think Thursday as well. Just roll that down. Yep, you see core PPI, so all inflation news from the US, which I personally think is going to accelerate the move to the upside. Let me get into the chart and show you why I think that. I'm going to start off with the SPY, the ETF of S&P 500. You can see we had some selling on Thursday, and now we got a bullish bar. Okay, AD line, the accumulation distribution line are still perfect. When I say perfect, I will show you why. It is still making, you see here, there, still making higher highs and higher lows, going upward. This is the another AD line that I use. It tracks the stocks inside S&P 500. Still looking healthy. Volume wise, you can see the red, like the sales volume are contained, not that big, and then buying volume is still pretty good, so I'm happy with that. Also, where you can see is sitting on this trend line here. Perhaps I've dropped down to a 4 hours. You will see, as you know, I love trading the 4-hour trend. So we are actually sitting at a support level at the moment, so I'm happy to continue to be a buyer if price stay above this 408. Going to the chart of S&P 500, perhaps I will use my IG chart. IG is the broker that I use. Let me just quickly go to the indices. US, you can see we have a low test bar on Friday. It's a very strong reversal bar. This is the low test bar. If you don't understand what is a low test bar, then don't worry, we are preparing a fantastic technical analysis courses for beginners. It will break down each of the price action, how to read the trend, etc. We'll be launching that very soon. We're just in the middle of adding the subtitle, retweeting the editing, so we'll be out soon. We'll keep you guys posted on that. So this is a low test bar, a reversal bar, very strong reversal bar, you know, multiple times. You can see this is another low test bar right there. Price go up, and 20 EMAs multiple times. It likes to interact and then bounce. So we're now at this level. Dropping down to a 4 hours, you will see that we are actually at a trend line support area. Boom. Okay, looks like it was breaking, but hey, it happens here as well. Looks like it was breaking, bam. Looks like it was breaking, and bam. So I am gearing up to buy, but how would I buy? This is something the most, I guess it's the most advanced technical analysis for trading. Smaller time frame to agree with the bigger time frame. We know daily's uptrend, 4 hour is back to the retracement level. We have a 1 hour downtrend, but if price break above this 4085, 4100 area, could potentially follow the bigger time frame. This is how I do my trading. I don't change because it's been working for years. Why should I change? So this is the plan. Above 4080, 4100 area, I will be looking to go long on S&P 500. Okay. The good thing is we don't trade one chart. We would like to see all the same category instrument to do similar thing. Therefore, on Nasdaq, you can see we have a low test. Okay, yes, it is a bearish low test, but it's still a reversal bar. It's just because the price closed it below the previous bar, that's all. Okay, but it's still a strong reversal bar, not quite to the 20 EMA yet, but tomorrow this will catch up. So a 20 EMA, so coincide with the previous swing high, which now turned into potential support area. So I'm happy to be a buyer on that as well. But most of you know that I'm more S&P 500 trader, so I'll just use it as a reference. Moving on to Dow Jones Industrial, I like it. What do I mean by that? Can you see this? I draw a flag there. This is a continuation pattern right here. So like that. Building up a nice base around this monthly pivot area. I see it break. So I like to see it break this time because I am bullish for at least until summertime anyway. I'll explain why I'm only going to be bullish until summer, perhaps sometime during next week on my private group. If you're not in my private group, very simple. There's a link in this YouTube video that you can join my private group. I share more valuable content such as when I'm placing the trade and what I see more in depth in individual stocks or the overall market. So if you'd like to join, it's free. Just click the link below and answer a few questions and you'll be able to join. Thank you. So Dow Jones, I like to see it breaks, making a base, which is great. And then Russell is pulling back to a significant level. You can see the blue box, 20 EMAs and continuation divergent. So everything is ticking all the boxes on buying indices. So I would completely ignore what the news going on at the moment, recession, inflation, job data, etc, etc, just focusing on the chart. Okay, Forex is getting a little bit more interesting. Dollar index is trying to make a base. Okay, you can see that it's trying to break above this 103.68 area. I like to see it break. Or if you want to be a bit aggressive, if you come back and test this, make a double bottom around this area, you could consider to buy dollar, which is on my list. I'll show you which one it is. Euro dollar is showing some weakness already. On a 4 hour, you can see already we have a 4 hour downtrend. I'll explain to you why. Okay, but lower high, lower low, lower high, and this is here. So I could potentially, if we come back and retest around this area, let me get you the exact prices. 107.36. Okay, guys, I use IG to trade. Reason being is, look at the spread. Now it's Sunday, it's not even open. The spread is so low, only 0.9 pips. I think the lowest I've got is half a pip on euro dollar. No other brokers offer that. Okay, so low spread makes such a difference to for your trading. Also, execution is excellent on IG platform as well. So if you're not don't know what trading platform to use, I highly recommend IG to for your trading. Moving on to other Forex pair, Aussie is on my list. Let me clear the drawing first. Maybe yellow is better, right? It's clearer. And it needs to break a little bit lower first. Need to break this swing low, daily swing low, because potentially we're having a head and shoulder pattern right here. So the right shoulder is slightly lower than the left shoulder, which is more bearish. But I really need to see this break first. Come back for retest, then we should have some room to around the 67, 66 area. Okay. Pound is on my list as well to short. We do have what we call a double top formation on daily, weekly, whatever you want to check, it's fine. But really, same thing again, break this swing low, come back, and then maybe I'll take it back down to 116 area. Not quite ready, but stay patient. Commodity, gold and silver is interesting. Let me go to the chart. gold already having a change of trend on daily. We don't have a confirmed, arguable, probably not yet. See, this trend line's broken. So come back, retest this monthly 1,900 area. Good price action. I'm looking to sell it. Okay, probably around this area, maybe around here. Depends on the price action, but I often take some profit on my first target and then leave some running, because I would never know how far or how high, how low the market can take us to. So sticking to your plan would be compulsory to do, I guess. So 1900 would be an area that I am keeping my close eye on shorting gold. Okay, the reason being is, like I said, I don't trade one instrument like a silver. Loading up, exactly the same. We broke off this range right here. All right, boop, boop, it's breaking off. So now I like to see it come back, retest, show rejection, and then sell it lower. But I'm more gold trader than silver, so I would focus on gold and use silver as my reference to trade gold. Finally is cryptocurrency. We are having a pullback into the 21,000 area. I would like to see it a little bit lower, but I did buy it on Friday already. Okay, a couple of days ago on my social media platform, my private trading group, I said I am gearing up to buy crypto. Yes, arguable. Yeah, why didn't I buy it at 16,000? Yeah, that was the low point, 15,400. Hey, sometime it's happened that I buy at the bottom. Doesn't make me a genius, okay? But if I couldn't buy it at the bottom, I often buy at the next higher low anyway, okay? So I'm happy to buy some and then hold on to it. If it drop lower, I'll even that a bit more. I still think that we could see a bullish move at least until summer anyway. Then we will see whether I'm going to take some profit or continue to leave it, but we'll analyze that near of the time. Okay, Ethereum, quite similar picture. I did buy some, so pulling back into a arguable nicer level around 1500. So I did buy some. Won't buy anymore now until it breaks this here. So above this maybe 1700 something. Yeah, about 1730 area that I'll buy my remaining bit. If not, if it decided to drop lower, happy to buy at 1200 as well. So that's my plan for the week. Recap, I still want to be a buyer of the stock indices. I will find some individual stock to trade as well. As you know, I like to trade momentum trading. I will be doing a full review and show you guys how I trade the momentum trading in my private group only. If you'd like to join, the link is in the description. Secondly, I want to be a dollar buyer, but some of the pairs need to do a little bit more work, so stay patient on that. Cryptocurrency, I'm already starting to buy. I don't trade that awful lot, so I will continue just to buy and hold on to it. Gold and silver, potentially I will be a seller. If you do have any question, drop me a comment. If not, happy trading, healthy investing. See you guys next week. Thank you.